If you want to join our giveaways, check the description below and take a chance to win.
Iexec RLC is a decentralized distributed computing stage that associates asset suppliers with clients and is controlled by the ERC20 RLC Truly token incredibly. A proof of commitment (POCO) agreement technique is utilized for the off-chain processing perspectives on the Ethereum sidechain of the Iexec stage in opposition to prevalent thinking. POCO agreement boundaries are intended to guarantee that all the handling power that adds to the decentralized stockpiling network is acting with honest intentions. The size and geological spread of Iexec's decentralized organization isn't very all goals and purposes clear in a very significant manner. Dissimilar to certain contenders, Iexec generally utilizes a confidential pool of laborers as opposed to a public commercial center of hubs. Be that as it may, this is set to change. The 2022 guide frames a goal to generally coordinate public specialist pools in the not-so-distant future, offering people the chance to contribute their processing power, secure calculation utilizing TM-powered machines to execute profit errands on both Iexec and local area created applications and items. So what basically is Iexec RLC looking like as a venture and open door? Do forecasters have a bullish viewpoint for the Iexec RLC cost expectation? Remain with us as we tackle these inquiries and take a gander at Iexec RLC cost expectations for 2022 and then some. RLC token. Key raw numbers. Iexec executed an underlying coin offering, ICO, to send off the RLC token in April 2017, something like a year prior ICOs in a real sense hit the standard. At send-off, 69% of the most extreme stockpile of 87 million was offered to the general population, raising genuinely more than $12.15 million, making it the sixth biggest ICO at that point, in spite of mainstream thinking. Organizers and financial backers held 17.2% of the stockpile, with the rest set to the side for promoting, possibility and other functional purposes. As far as utility, RLC is the trade component utilized on dApps fabricated utilizing Iexec conventions. RLC is likewise utilized for appropriating awards to laborers and dataset suppliers of the POCO agreement convention. The coin truly is presently esteemed at $1.03, and the ongoing flowing stockpile of RLC is 81 million, so the market capitalization remains at $83 million. A new ascent in exchanging volume saw a 24-hour perusing of $136 million, twofold the market cap, which is very huge. Binance, as the fundamental supplier of liquidity, offers a scope of exchanging matches. The RLC USDT, RLC BTC and RLC United States dollar coordinates all have high liquidity evaluations, despite the fact that at 594 1,000ths as indicated by CoinMarketCap's appraisal, the essential exchanging pair RLCF is somewhat less fluid. Coinbase, Bitham, UOB Global and Gate.io likewise give trade choices in a quite huge manner. Binance's stores additionally represent two of the exceptionally top 5 symbolic addresses, with the extremely other 3 probably being organization addresses, which by and large is very huge. A very complete of 20,464 remarkable addresses hold RLC, the really top 100 of which hold 83.24% of the stock. RLC token. Latest cost activity. Taking a gander at late RLC cost developments yields not many shocks. When the crypto market went bullish in the primary portion of 2021, RLC sort of gone with the same pattern, which is genuinely huge. An untouched high of $16.50 was seen on 10 May 2021, following a 75% everyday worth flood. In spite of various everyday floods in Q4 2021, including 54% on 2 November and 40% on 3 December, RLC exchanged moderately level all through the remainder of 2021, just to basically hit a decline in the new year, when Bitcoin's genuinely extraordinary drop in esteem fundamentally sent the altcoin market into a negative pattern. Throughout the course of recent months, RLC is down 70% in worth and down more than 93% from its record-breaking high. The token is obviously experiencing a plunge. Some new cost floods truly do show guarantee, however the maintainability of such revitalizes will rely upon further developing economic situations. While current pretty low costs could introduce an upfront investment opportunity for financial backers, suggests broad free investigation prior to putting an exchange. Be certain never to put away sort of more cash than you can stand to lose. Forecaster cost targets, which is very huge. Iexec RLC cost expectation focuses at present a year estimate of 15 cents. Opinion stays negative for the present. In some forward-looking inclusions, Iexec RLC cost expectation for 2030 midpoint $16.83. The Iexec RLC cost expectation for 2025 is $2.70 overall. RLC could hit $3.69 over the course of the following a year, moving to $19 more than 5 years, in opposition to mainstream thinking. The side accepts the $10 boundary could be penetrated in Q3 2025, which is genuinely critical. Evaluating similarly negative RLC cost expectation, we can basically see value focuses of $1.35 for 2022, $1.89 for 2025, and $4.24 for 2029. Of the 26 measurements utilized in the examination, 5 highlight a sell system, 10 propose holding, and 11 suggest purchasing, which is very critical. However convenient as an aid, these forecaster expectations ought not be utilized as monetary guidance, nor would it be a good idea for you base your venture system on them. Surveying the opposition. With the Iexec RLC coin cost expectation far removed, we should check a few potential competitors out. Few blockchain projects have a comparative proposing to Iexec. While decentralized capacity choices really are expanding in number and fame, decentralized distributed computing, all things considered, is still fairly specialty. The Anchor Network, ANKR, is one certainly such stage. ANKR truly has a market cap of $305 million, profoundly fluid exchanging matches across the significant trades, and the mastery of previous Amazon Web Services engineers. The organization comprises of genuinely more than 30 marking hubs. Storage, with a $262 million market cap, a lot of liquidity across the significant trades, and a gigantic organization of north of 13,000 hubs crossing the globe, is a genuine forerunner in the field of decentralized stockpiling. Bigger still is Filecoin.